Hello everyone. In this lecture we'll see a mixed type of problem. So you can observe here the given problem is d minus 2 whole square of y equal to 8 times e raised to 2x plus sine of 2x plus x square. So you can observe here right hand side, this e raised to 2x belongs to type 1, sine 2x belongs to type 2 and x square belongs to type 3. So together we are going to get a question here like that only. So you have to observe, and for that, to get a particular integral we have to go type 1, type 2 as well as type 3. So solution. The given question is, that is d minus 2 of whole square into y is equal to, I will open the bracket, or else 8 times we'll take later, e raised to 2x plus sine of 2x plus x square. Now to get a complementary function we have to go for auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is d minus 2 of whole square equal to 0. So d minus 2 of whole square, so therefore I will write m minus 2 whole square. So therefore, this m minus 2 will keep 2 times, m minus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore m minus 2 equal to 0 or m minus 2 equal to 0, so which implies m equal to 2 or m equal to 2. So therefore the auxiliary roots are, what here, m is equal to 2 comma 2, so which are real and same. So therefore the complementary function yc is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to 2x, so which is a first part of our solution. So now with the help of this yc and yp we are going to conclude for the general solution. So therefore here we need to go for complementary particular integral, that is yp is equal to 8 times e raised to 2x plus sine of 2x plus x square whole divided by f of d, that f of d is d minus 2 whole square. So what here, d minus 2 is there, so that one we have to take here. So we'll separate it for each term. So therefore yp is equal to, this 8 I will keep completely outside. So e raised to 2x divided by this d minus 2 of whole square plus sine 2x divided by d minus 2 of whole square plus x square divided by d minus 2 of whole square. So this belongs to type 1, type 2 and type 3. I will give equation number 1 and simultaneously I will give particular integral 1, particular integral 2 and particular integral 3. So first P1 will solve, then we'll get P2, then we'll solve for P3, then all P1, P2, P3 will apply in equation number 1 and we'll conclude for yp, and from that yp we'll go for the general solution. So let's see the P1 now. So now we'll start with P1, that is 8 will don't include only, so just we'll go directly. So the first P1 is e raised to 2x divided by d minus 2 of whole square. So this belongs to, just for the information, this is belongs to type 1. So type 1 says replace d is equal to coefficient of what here, x, that is a. So replace d is equal to 2. So remember here, if I replace d is equal to 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 square, so we get denominator 0. I will not apply, just I will manual calculation will go and I will conclude here. So just check here, if I apply 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, so therefore denominator becoming 0, and we know that if denominator becoming 0, we have to differentiate the previous part, that is d minus 2 whole square will differentiate. So we need to multiply x and e raised to 2x divided by, so d minus 2 whole square will be 2 times d minus 2 into differentiation of d with respect to d is 1 minus 0, so leave it. So it will become 2 into d minus 2. So once we get this, so again we need to go for replace d is equal to 2, same condition. So if you replace d is equal to 2, so we are going to get 2 minus 2 again. So 2 minus 2 is again 0. So therefore I will write the statement here. So replace d is equal to 2, but if you replace d is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, so denominator is again becoming 0. So therefore multiply one more x here, so it will become x square into e raised to 2x divided 2 is a constant, so means 2 as it is. So differentiation of d minus 2 will be 2 as it is. This 2 you can write here also. So the differentiation of d minus 2 will be 1. So therefore it will be x square e raised to 2x divided by 2, because denominator is free from d. So therefore this is the value of p1. So p1 is x square e raised to 2x divided by 2. Now we'll go for p2. So p2 is sine of 2x divided by d minus 2 of whole square. Just I will go for expansion, better it is. So sine 2x divided by d minus 2 whole square will be d square, then minus 4d plus 4. A minus b whole square formula you need to apply, and this is belongs to type 2. So type 2 says replace d square is equal to coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is a here, so it is d square minus times a square. The value of a is 2, so a square is become 4. So therefore p2 is equal to sine of 2x divided by d square will be replaced by minus 4, this minus 4d as it is, plus 4. So this minus 4 plus 4 cancels. We are going to left here sine of 2x divided by minus times 4d, or this minus 1 upon 4 I will keep as it is. 1 upon d is nothing but integration of sine of 2x dx. So therefore on simplification p2 will be minus 1 by 4 as it is. Integration of sine 2x will be, so integration of sine 2x will be minus cos of 2x divided by 2. So this minus and minus will become plus, so it will become cos of 2x divided by 4 to the 8. So p2 value, therefore p2 value will be cos of 2x divided by 8. So this is the required p2. Now we'll go for p3. So p3 we have as x square divided by d minus 2 of whole square, which will be x square divided by d minus 2 whole square. I will expand it. It will become d square minus 4d plus 4. So this is type 3 long division method we need to apply for this. So x square divided by this entire thing, so therefore it will be, so only one term x square, and this one we have to write in ascending order, that is 4 minus 4d plus d square. So we'll go for the calculation. So first term divided by first term of divisor, that is x square divided by 4. So it will be x square by 4. So that x square by 4 will write here. Then 4 times x square by 4 will be x square, minus into plus is minus, 4 times differentiation of this, 4 times differentiation of x square by 4, this 4 cancels, so differentiation of x square is, I will write here 2x, so that 2x will write here. Then plus into plus is plus, double differentiation d square of x square upon 4, that is 1 by 4 as it is, so one time differentiation of x square is 2x, so this 2 and 4 cancel here, so it will be 1 by 2 times differentiation of x is 1, so therefore 1 by 2, so that 1 by 2 will write here. So just simplification, minus sign, plus sign, minus here, so this cancels, so we got plus 2x and minus 1 by 2. So now again polynomial, so this 2x divided by this 4, so 2x divided by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, we got x by 2, this x by 2 will write here. Fine. So 4 into x by 2 will be 2x, because plus into plus is plus, so that's why 4 into x by 2 is 2x, minus into plus is minus, 4 times differentiation of x by 2 will work out here, 4 times differentiation of x by 2, so 2 1s are 2 2s are, so we have left 2, differentiation of x is 1, which is nothing but 2, so here 2, but d square of x by 2 is 0, so leave it, so minus sign, plus sign, so cancels, so minus 1 by 2 and plus 2 will be 3 by 2, but again we got the remainder here 3 by 2, but we want 0, so this 3 by 2 divided by 4 we need to work out, so 3 by 2 divided by 4, which will be 3 by 4 2s are 8, that 3 by 8 will write here, so 4 into 3 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 2, so change the sign, so cancels 0, so x raised to 4 x square by 4 plus x by 2 plus 3 by 8 is nothing but p3 value, so therefore so p3 is x square by 4 plus x upon 2 plus 3 by 8, so substituting p1 p2 p3 in 1, so we get yp is equal to 8 times, so p1 answer is x square e raised to 2x upon 2 plus p2 answer is cos of 2x upon 8 plus p3 answer is x raised to 4 upon 4 plus x by 2 plus 3 upon 8. So therefore, so yp I will rearrange, 8 you multiply, so 2 into 8 divided by 2 will become 4, so it will become 4x square e raised to 2x plus 8 and 8 cancels, cos of 2x plus this 8 divided by 4 will become 2 times x raised to 4 plus 8 divided by 2 will be 4x plus 8 and 8 cancel 3. So this is a required value of yp. So with the help of this yp, we'll go for the general solution. The general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So y is equal to yc value, we got it as, that is c1 plus c2x into e raised to 2x plus this entire yp value, that is 4x square e raised to 2x plus cos of 2x plus 2x raised to 4 plus 4x plus 3. So this is a required general solution of the mixed type non-homogeneous differential equation. So in this way we have to simplify a problem based on this.